won't believe this laser engraving machine that absolutely is a beast. New 6550 20W laser engraving machine 12 volts 5 a CNC 2-axis laser engraver carving machine 15W laser 6550 cm with emergency stop. Get 30% off right now, link in our video descriptions. Buy now only for 68 hours. Product specifications. Engraving area 65 by 50 cm maximum. Material aluminum and acrylic. Working voltage DC 12 volts 5A. Control software Laser GRBL30 14. Support power 2.5 W 5.5 W 20 W. Step motor 42 step motor 1.30 25 Nm. Warranty 1 year. Engraving materials 1. Engravable materials: paper, leather, bank cards, rubber, wood, bamboo, plastic and so on. 2. Cannot be carved materials: stone, ceramic, shell, reflective material, hard metal, transparent material. 3. Please choose the 20W laser if you want to engrave the stainless steel. The first notable aspect of the new 6550 is its robust design and construction. The machine boasts a sturdy frame that not only ensures stability during operation, but also contributes to its durability. The 6550 cm engraving area provides ample space for a variety of projects. The inclusion of a 20W laser adds a layer of potency to the new 6550, making it suitable for a wide range of materials and applications. The machine is particularly well suited for wood, acrylic, leather, and even certain metals, offering users the flexibility to explore diverse creative endeavors. Navigating the new 6550 is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly interface and intuitive software integration. The machine comes equipped with efficient control software that supports a variety of file formats, whether you're a seasoned professional or a novice enthusiast. The 2-axis design allows for precise control over the engraving process. Users can easily adjust the laser focus and positioning, ensuring that every project is executed with the utmost accuracy. The machine's compatibility with popular design software adds another layer of convenience. One of the standout features of the new 6550 is its impressive engraving speed. The 20W laser, coupled with efficient motion control, enables swift and precise engraving. This is particularly advantageous for users working on projects with tight deadlines or those handling bulk orders. Buy this new 6550 20W laser engraving machine 12 volts 5 a CNC 2-axis laser engraver carving machine 15W laser 6550 cm with emergency stop right now. And get 30% off only for 68 hours right now. Link in our video descriptions.